Hello, quick update. After some prototyping, I managed to improve the thing a little bit, but not as much as I would like it to be. So I'm gonna assemble it. So one thing that's broken right now is my clutch again. This is very clever part that I like though, but it's just not good enough. Alright, this is one. I will show you all the parts. So I implemented my two-layer idea. Yeah. And let me demonstrate. So I like this part and I would like to keep it. Done. So I balanced it. Quite a bit. But it's not enough, you'll see why. This shaft, it goes here. Outer ring. Bolts. It actually was the idea to make a handle here that uses those two columns, but I will do it in the very end if this design works, because it kinda doesn't. Okay, now this pin. It has like teeny tiny rail and teeny tiny like holes here, so it slides in. And then you fix it with one long bolt. So it doesn't fall apart or anything. It looks fancy, but as you can hear, it skips gears. But the idea is like all you need to do is push it one way and it's just like a squeezing thingy, I don't know. If you push a little bit harder, it will skip gears like more and more and more under load. Which is not good. Which is not great. So yeah, the skipping gears is the main issue right now, because you can't spin it fast. It spins alright, but not great. It doesn't really make all that much noise. But yeah, the idea was to make two of those, like this, at either side. You have one lever in the center, but right now it barely rotates one. So to be honest, I want to return to just simple gears, like in a car gearbox. I don't know, the manual one. I can use the columns, but I don't know. I need to fix skipping gears issue. So that would be it for now. So the problem is the clutch thing explodes, which I might be able to fix, but I think it's not the main problem. I think there's just too many gears that do like add too much to the friction, even though they rotate somewhat freely. It's not the best right now, I don't know. I need a little bit more time, which I don't really have right now, but a little bit more time, and either I will fix it or I will move to a different approach. Create like edge of this disc to turn into gear, and then it will be like my previous design. So it will be like one gear here, then another one here, and then another set here, and it goes like on and on and on and on. I think it will be less friction. It won't look as cool though, that's for sure, but it will be probably less friction, because like right now, friction point here, friction point here, friction point here, friction point where the gear approaches the other gear, same on this side, same on this side, and on this side. It's only like one beat, and there's like two more of those. So I think it's a little bit too much, because if I would set just like a T-shaped kind of gear sets, then it will be like one friction point in the middle, one on the edge, one in the middle, one on the edge, and it's like only 2 per gear sets. And I don't think the amount of gears will be much bigger. So let's see, that's something to think about. But overall I really like how it looks, how the impeller look. Very clean, I think. And it assembles quite easily. You don't need special tools or anything, and it's fully printed. And it doesn't produce much noise, so apart from the skipping gears issue, it's not that bad. So let's see. Maybe one day I will fix it and finish it at once and do something else. Let's see.